Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel Orange Zest. My name is Kiran and in today's video I will be showing you all lot of things I got from my recent vacation trips. So that's the video, and like few days I only came home few days before, so I got chance to like visit different places in Maharashtra, and it was like whenever I used to see the map of Maharashtra and see different districts, I used to wonder like whether I will be ever get chance to go there or like that. And finally that dream came true, and I got the chance to visit different places, meet with different people, explore their food, taste the different food and see all the different and beautiful places. And I'm so glad that yeah, it happened and everything. So this video I will be showing you what I got. I didn't got much things because my motto whenever I go on trips is like don't spend much on things which you can buy here only. So I only get few things which I think that I will not get here or there, or they are like very special or something like that. So I got like few things, and without further ado, let's start with this video. So starting with the first thing which I bought. So basically when I go to different places, I told like myself like Kiran, no extra shopping, like save your money. And like so whenever I go to different places, I try to collect things which are like not so pricey and all of that things, but I also have a memory of that particular place. So I mostly like to collect different types of keychains and all of that from this place because they are quite handy. You can use them on different purposes for keys and all of that things, and they are also cute and all of that things. So I got like three keychains, and this one is the first one which I got is this one. So it has a dragon in it, and this is how it is. It has something written over here, and this is how it is. So this dragon keychain, so the story behind this is I picked it randomly. I didn't give it any thought or something. I just saw it and I liked it and I picked it. And then later I remember like once I was reading my like Chinese zodiac and all of that, and I found out that my is the dragon one. So my zodiac, there are different ox, rat and all of that things, and my is the dragon one. So I was like, yeah, I got the dragon keychain. And then I like, it's a related thing, right? So the same keychain and you have the same zodiac sign, so that is the thing behind this keychain. And the other one is like, this is the other one. It's like cute, it's in a bottle, and there are some shimmery things here, shimmery stars, and you also have one kitten here. So this is how it is, and mostly I like this. It is very cute, and like basically it's not like you can use this because it is a glass bottle, so it's not easy to use and carry it, but I will just keep it because it is very cute. And along with me, my sister also bought the same keychain. Like we three of us now have the same keychain, so it's like if one of us likes something, the other one will get the same thing. So that is it. And the other things which I got are the spoons here. So the wooden spoons, like you will be thinking what are things I get, but yeah, I saw these spoons while traveling to the place and in that stores, and I just find them very cute. So this is how they are. They were just 20 or 20 rupees each. So I thought, yeah, these are so cute and I will be able to like use it in my videos or during food photography and all of that things. So I bought it randomly, and everyone was like me like spoons, but yeah, they are cute and I love them. So that's basically it. And also the most favorite thing of mine which I bought and which I got my hands on is this cartoon character of a BTS member. So I don't know what it is called or which member it is. I was basically looking for like the Jimin, the member Jimin, that if I could get that, but I don't know who this member's cartoon character is. But if you know, you can tell me in the comments, like if you can guess. So this is how it is, and I thought it will be good like if I can keep it on my desk and all of that things. So I recently started watching BTS, and like I like how they dance and they sing and basically that, and that's why when I saw there were 7 different like this, but I couldn't like recognize, and find which, but I like this one, so I then picked this one. And yeah, it's very cute, right? And it will be perfect for my desk. Okay, so the other items which I got, like the fashion items which I got, are few clothes. So this is the first top which I got. So this is the first top which I got. This is how it is, the design. So this is how the design is on both the side and the clothes. And like, I think this top will be perfect for a Christmas kind of party or Christmas theme. So I got this for like that, because I saw it and I liked it. So I thought, why not just bring one for myself. And the other one which I got is also a random top. So I saw this and I really like the designing over here and the color of the top, and my mom mostly like this kind of tops on me, so she thinks like I look good on this kind of top. So I thought, yeah, I will just bring one of this kind of top also. So I bought one. And yeah, these are the clothes, and other are some jeans and all of that things which I kept them in my closet. And the other things which I got are like we got a chance to, like, one of my cousins were having exams, so like her exam was 2.5 hours or something, and we wanted to go to Ajanta for like to see the Ajanta caves and all of that things. But her exam, like, it was, the distance from here was 3 hours distance. So but she went for exam and we traveled there, but unfortunately we couldn't go upstairs because the caves are upstairs. So we did a little shopping in the shopping lane which is downside, and then from there I bought few things. Like I thought it will be suitable for our house or for like the decoration pieces and all of that things. So I bought few things from there. So first one is this. So it's a stone carved owl. Yeah, so this is how it is. So it is basically stone carved, and it's a good luck charm and all of that. I just read it once, so I thought I will just buy it, because when I was seeing Pinterest and all of that things, so I saw like that people skip book and then this like owl thing and then other books, and I thought, yeah, it will look good in our house also. So I just bought one of this. And also it is stone carved, so I really liked it. The moment I saw it, I liked it, and I just got it for myself. Another thing is this cute black color tortoise. This is also kept in house. I have one like which is of clay, but I thought I will just bring one this also for our house, so it will look nice. And this is how it is. And one more thing which I got is this lamp kind of thing. So yeah, this gets open and you have to place candle or diya or tea light in this, and then you have to close this, and then the reflection and refraction goes on all the science and physics, and you can see beautiful light. So I thought this will also look good, so I bought this one also. And yeah, this is how it is. I will show you after like lighting it, like how does it look in this video only, so stay tuned for that. So these are all the things which I got. They are not much things, but everything has a special place in my heart, and I love all of them. I also bought few bangle sets for my mom, but I don't know where she kept. I tried to find it, but I couldn't get that. So yeah, I will exclude that from this video. And also I bought some like special food items from that special places. So me and my brother have already finished that, so that will be also excluded from the video. Other than that, these are all the things which I got. Hope you like this video, and just give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time in another video. Bye.